Hey, thanks for checking out my channel. This is going to be a really quick little install on a 50 cal bullet that you can get off Amazon. They're dirt cheap. I put them on all my vehicles. I've had them on my JK. I've had them on my Dodge Ram, and now I'm putting them on my JT, my Gladiator. It's a simple, easy mod. It's like 30 bucks off Amazon. But some guys want to see it, so here you go. Thanks very much. All right, I am using a 9mm to get this off, and through movie magic I've already kind of started. So I don't know if you can see that, but it fits really good. So make sure you don't hit the paint, of course. Give it a couple turns all the way there, and then once you get it to almost out, just going to take it off with your fingers. With this facing that way. Let's see if that works. There we go. I think that's pretty darn good. I mean, I can turn it more, but it's got Loctite on it, so we should be okay. All right, mod completed. All right, there it is. She's all done. Looks great. Gets rid of that gigantic aerial, which looked ridiculous. So there we go. Thanks for watching.